Like us.
So many options and I'm totally confused. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. It's a sari shopping vlog. Yay! Doing some Kanjivaram silk sari shopping, and this vlog is going to be about that. We are going to Patil here in Parkala. Patil's clothes shop here in Parkala for buying Kanjivaram silk saris. Their saris are very good, and it's also a little lesser cost, lesser expensive than the other bigger outlets here in Udupi. So this is in Udupi that we are shopping. Parkala is after Manipal, where you get the next stop around a little away from Manipal is Parkala. Not Karkala, Parkala. So there they have renovated, I guess, and made it a big shop now. Multiple floors, and they have good sari collection also. I'll take you along. I'll try to vlog as much as possible. I hope they let me vlog, because some sari shops have that issue that you should not vlog and all that. So I hope they let me vlog, and I'll show you which and all saris we try and what we buy and what is the cost. Let's begin. Udupi to Manipal Parkala takes about 15 minutes, and we are going with Radha Krishna Shanai uncle and auntie. Thanks to them who took us to the shop. And here we are. Thanks to Radha Krishna uncle and auntie for driving us till here. This is the shop, Patil Clothes Store. This is Parkala. It's right in the Parkala bus stop itself. This is the floor as you enter. The sari section was on the first floor. So there is lift. We took the lift and reached the first floor. And here they have categorized saris as 3,000 and then 5,000, 7,000 and 10,000 and above, and wedding saris. So this side is 5,000 sari range, it seems. That side is 2,000 to 3,000 range.
Pure reshme.
And this is pure reshme, it seems.
ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಸಿಲ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು ನೋಡಿ.
They had pure silk saris and then soft silk saris, borderless saris with border saris. They were showing us different options, and also tissue saris and various other what is in trend for us to choose.
Traditional Kanjivaram. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಕಲರ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟು.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಲಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕ 5,000.
ಈ ಥರದ್ದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ತುಂಬ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
Here my mom is saying that these saris are generally worn by brides on their wedding day.
ಇದು ತ್ರಿಶಾದ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್.
Border not.
ನಾಲ್ಕೂವರೆದಲ್ಲ 3, 2.5 3. ಅದು ವೈನ್ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಹೊಸ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಆ ಥರ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್.
My parents liked this sari very much. They finalized it and almost were going to buy it, but I did not find it. I mean, I was not liking it. This is around 4,500. is around 4,500. And then came different colors of the same kind of sari, and it was getting overwhelming at this point. Too much confusion.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊಸ ಕಲರ್ ವೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ 5.5 6.5 ಲೆಸ್ ಇರ್ತೇನೆ 5-5.5.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ. Again, thanks to auntie and uncle. Auntie helped us select many saris. So many options, and I'm totally confused.
ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸೈನ್.
And then they showed us this kind of a sari. The moment I saw this, I remembered Mukta. My friend Mukta had worn this on her wedding day. I vlogged it. I'll leave a link of the vlog in the I button. Her Odia wedding vlog. This was the exact kind of sari she had worn on her wedding day. And then came different colors of the same type.
ರೇರ್ ಕಲರ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಟೈಪ್.
8,000 7,000.
ಇದು ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಲರ್.
There was pink, green, red, various shades of with golden. And now is the time for trial. Let's try these saris, how they look. We'll see how they look in the photo, how they look on me, and it will help me decide what to buy. These ladies around me were very, very helpful, and they were making me wear the sari exactly like how it would look. So very big thanks to them. They placed the pallu, how the body would look like, and also how the blouse piece would come. So that would give an idea of how the color contrast and all of that would look like. Sir, ಚಂದಿಸ್ತೇನೋ?
ಶಿರಾ ಬೈದ ಕನ್ನಡಿ ದಿಸ್ತಾ ಸಮಯ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಫೋಟೋ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಸಿಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಹಿಂಗಡಿ.
So this was red golden sari, and here is golden and pink sari. After they made me wear the sari, I was going closer to the mirror to understand how it's looking. Also, I was clicking a photo of it on my phone to also see how the pictures are looking.
ಬಾರ್ಡರ್
After I wore this pink one, I started liking this more than the red golden one, because the one with the red and golden was feeling more like golden itself. The red element was not coming out. I was going to finalize this one, but wait, here comes the twist. Auntie found another sari which was pink and golden, but this pink was more like fluorescent pink. And if you know me, I like fluorescent colors more brighter colors, and this pink was giving a totally different vibe, and it was, how shall I say it was more vibrant to the eyes, and it was also coming out with the golden very well. I like this one a lot. Here is a comparison of how the three saris looked in the photo. I finalized on the fluorescent pink golden sari, and then we went to shop more saris back to the counter. These are all in the 3,000 range, various trending colors and trending saris. Oh, yeah, peacock color se I love. It was at exactly this moment that my father knew कि अपने pocket में hole हो गया. My mother liked this sari, saying peacock green and all of that. It was a 3000 sari and it was all soft material, nice. Okay. This is around 3000. This is also 3000. ये जाए तो oh, this is ultra lightweight sari, it seems. Kanjivaram. The shopkeeper said that this is ultra lightweight, pure Kanjivaram silk sari, which has a trademark also on it. And some more sari trial. Now the blue and the purple one, because my mom said, let's try this. Let me know in the comments how did you like this sari. And if you're wondering how did these many oranges come up, I asked for it. I asked them to show something in orange. So they started showing orange and pink, orange and purple. So now I had confusion between two orange saris, one with the light green combination and another one with the dark green combination. So I wanted to try them both. Thanks to all three ladies who were very helpful. They draped me with 7-8 saris and were very patient throughout. Now let's try orange with dark green blouse and dark green border. This is how it's looking. And that's my father giving his feedback. The best thing I love about him is he's always very enthusiastic when it comes to sari shopping. He gives us feedback and says that this is not good, that is good. And this is how the two saris look side by side. Which one is good? And if you think we are done, no, we are not done yet. This is the pile of saris which we pulled out and put it all down. And they showed us all of this. ते सोडवांदा कई मन पळया ये जला यांचिगे ये चंदस
ಬಿಸಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ
ये चंदस की मन ये जायते की मन एक लाइट एक डार्क एक लाइट एक डार्क डल से आला पण लाइक आला है And these were the finalized sarees. 2,250 ಇದು 2,000 2000 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 12,450 ಓಹೋ 12,000 के this is 12,450 this is 2,500 2,250 and this is 3,000. So this is what we finally selected. And the bill came close to 30,000 with 3 different bags. Here we go home. Thanks, my. Bye, my. Now this is trial time at home after buying the sarees. This is one saree which we bought. This is. I like the color. The pink is very bright. I like this pink. And yeah, We thought it is 7,000 rupees, but then we ended up buying. I didn't realize it is 16,000 sari. I did not know. So they gave it is discounted to 12,500. I said no, let's not buy it. And but these people were like, no, go ahead, buy it. 12,500. This is at Patil's clothes store in Parkala. Good discount, but yeah, the sari is costlier. This is another sari. This is 3,250, which we got to 2,500. This is that sari, green color and purple color border. This is another sari which we bought. I liked it. It is also soft. All are lightweight saris only. They are not heavy. All are lightweight. 2,800.
कितना चाहिए?
This is another one. I wanted a bright color sari. This is another one. So this has this kind of a border and pallu border. This is the veil kind of light color orange I wanted. This is 2,850, which we got for 2,250. This is that sari, orange color one. This is all for me. 3,800, 3,000 Ayla. And this is my mom's sari, which she really liked. She liked this light green. I am a bright color person. She's a dull color person, I think. So she liked this. This is what is this? Kind of grayish green color, and this is this kind of a inside pallu and all of it is this type. This was 3,700, which we got for 3,000. So it's all discounted prices, good saris. We liked it. Let me know which sari among these did you like. Out of the 6 saris which we bought, which did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe. And Chanda says, please like the video.
Chandu.
No, he's going away. He doesn't want it seems. Let me know in the comment section which color sari did you like the most. Out of the 6 saris that we bought, let me know which color did you like the most. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.